The Backyardigans. Exploring we go. What a perfect day for exploring, Uniqua thought happily. Good thing I happen to be a brave explorer. Walking toward her ship, Uniqua thought of all the places she could explore. I want to plant my flag where no one's ever been before, she declared. She looked over her explorer's map. And this should tell me exactly how to get there. As she sailed along, Uniqua sang, I'm going to explore where no one's ever been before, past the sun and the moon, and I'm going to find it soon. I'll pass the farthest star if I have to go that far, saying hey ho hey, and anchors away. Uniqua sailed until the sun was behind her. Then she landed her ship on a beach in front of a thick jungle. This jungle is so dark and wild. I doubt anyone's been here before, Uniqua said. Uniqua trekked in a short way and was about to plant her flag. This was easy, she said with a laugh. What was easy? Asked a voice out of nowhere. Who's there? Uniqua called out. Jungle Explorer Pablo, answered Pablo, stepping out from behind some leaves. Welcome to Pavlovia. I've never heard of Pavlovia, Uniqua said. That's because I just discovered it, Pablo admitted. Well, I'm looking for a place where no one's ever been before, so I guess I'd better keep exploring, Uniqua said, turning to go back to her ship. I'll come with you, Pablo offered. I'm pretty good at finding places no one's ever been before. So Pablo and Uniqua set sail, singing, We're going to explore where no one's ever been before, past the sun and the moon, and we're going to find it soon. We'll pass the farthest star if we have to go that far, saying hey ho hey and anchors away. Uniqua and Pablo sailed until the moon was behind them. Then they steered the ship ashore at the edge of a glacier. This glacier looks very undiscovered to me, Uniqua observed. They were about to plant Uniqua's flag when a shadow fell over them. Does that look like a snow monster's shadow to you? Pablo whispered nervously. Ever so slowly they turned around. Snow monster! Pablo screamed. Run for your life! Run! But before they could run, the snow monster took off his furry hood. Wait, I'm not a snow monster, he explained. I'm Glacier Explorer Tyrone. Have you already discovered this glacier? Uniqua asked. I certainly have, Tyrone replied. Welcome to Tyronia. Uniqua sighed. I guess we'll have to keep looking for a place where no one's ever been before. I'll come with you, Tyrone offered. With 3 explorers, we'll probably find it 3 times as fast. Back on the ship, the 3 explorers sang. We're going to explore where no one's ever been before, past the sun and the moon, and we're going to find it soon. We'll pass the farthest star if we have to go that far, singing hey ho hey and anchors away. The explorers sailed until they reached a distant shore. Then they trekked for miles until they came to an oasis. This oasis is in the middle of nowhere, Uniqua exclaimed. I'm sure no one's ever been here before. But as they got ready to plant Uniqua's flag, a voice called out, Hey, what are you doing on my oasis? Your oasis? Uniqua repeated. Sure, I discovered it 10 minutes ago, Desert Explorer Tasha replied. I guess we'll have to keep exploring, said Tyrone. But Uniqua shook her head. Well, we've sailed to the end of the map. We're never going to find a place where no one's ever been before. I'm going home, she said. We'll come with you, Tasha said sympathetically. So the 4 explorers returned to the ship. They sailed and sailed until they landed back where Uniqua began. After walking for a while, the group stopped to rest. I'm sorry you didn't find what you were looking for, said Pablo. But at least you found 3 friends, Tasha added brightly. Just then, Uniqua noticed a huge flower hanging over her head. Wow, she murmured. "I've never seen a flower like that. I guess I've never been in this clearing before." "Neither have I," Tyrone said. "Me neither," said Pablo. "I'd remember a flower like that," Tasha agreed. "Wait! If we've never been here before, I bet no one's ever been here before," Tyrone pointed out. "You're right," Uniqua exclaimed. "I guess what I was looking for was right in my own backyard." And with that, Uniqua planted her flag at last. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Backyardigans stories, check out my Backyardigans playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And hey, check out my Super Thanks tab on my non-read aloud videos if you'd like to donate and support the channel. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.